1967 Mercury Cougar that has not only seen its better days, it's seen its worst days as well. As you can see, it's just cracked completely. Even in the spokes, it's just totally deteriorated, for lack of a better word. The chrome rings are falling out on the inside. There's also a chrome ring on the outside on this one that is just completely falling off. Plastic is coming completely off. So this wheel is definitely in need of a full remold. Let's take a look at the back here. So we've got cracks that have cracked away from the spline area. The old plastic has shrunk so bad that you can see how it's just cracked and then pulled completely away from the metal core inside of it. So we're gonna strip this wheel down and then remold it back to new. So when we look at the after picture of this, we're going to be astonished at how beautiful it's going to look. All right, so take a look at this gorgeous 1965 Mercury Cougar steering wheel, all finished out and ready to ship back out. We've gone in and remolded the whole grip area, re-added the wood grain back to it and painted everything back up, and also re-added that chrome ring back to it on the inside and on the outside. So this looks gorgeous. Once again, it's going to really top out the restoration of this Cougar and make this customer very satisfied. So anything you need, any steering wheel in the world, craftcustoms.com. We look forward to working with you, and you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.